I put the wrong information. Oh my goodness, that's crazy, bro. I mean, do I even need this? I mean, you know what I mean? Dad, I don't even need that bad boy. I'm looking good without it. Yeah, we don't need it at the moment. Unless, unless further notice. We already got this. You just say the color of this one. All right, we're live. We're back. Today's trade was I did my paralysis wrong. All right, let's get this shit, man. Oh shit. What did I even change on this? Not live day trading. Saturday. Charting. That shit. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go first over my thing I took today. And the thing that happened was this sweep liquidity. Oh shit. Now you can see my whole room, Chad. Like, how you feel now, man? How you feel now, motherfucker? We have a bunch of liquidity line right over here. With this, I don't care about these super liquidity. I don't care about none of these. That's a 4-hour. The next drawn liquidity is there's an internal, right? Which is over here. Now, if the next drawn liquidity is over here. Okay, this makes sense. This makes sense. This is how I lost not $250 day trading gold. No, I think $270, right? Day trading gold. So how did I lose this? How did I lose $250? I took a long position at gold, which was right over here, which was out of the unicorn model. This unicorn model did not. I only had an auto block supporting it, right? Which I might stop using auto blocks. I might just use it for value gaps and buying such liquidity, because when I see unicorn model working, I don't really see unicorn model working in auto blocks often. I just see it working for value gaps and buying such liquidity. Anything other than that, break a block, the unicorn models now show up in auto blocks, right? But let's go over to the trade we took, right? We took a long over here. Entry was somewhere pretty sure right over there. South top was somewhere below, some ticks below this, right? It's right over there. Entry, take profits here. So why did this end up on a loss, right? I did my analysis and I found out why. We were going against the drawn liquidity, right? What was the drawn liquidity? Bearish. How was the drawn liquidity bearish? Market took out this liquidity. Market moved out of the what? Market moved out of internal to external liquidity. I was like, okay, so I thought market can go from external to external. It could do that, right? But market proved me wrong. It goes from external to internal, right? So the market took out this drawn faucet liquidity over here, with the market pumped back down, right? Well, now you can probably wonder, the next drawn liquidity is obviously back to the upside. No, the next drawn liquidity is back to the downside because market took out external. It took another external. So the next one is back to internal, right? Which is just our daily fair value gap right over here. So right when I lost, I had another setup to the downside, which is another unicorn model, which this was a loss. You can see right over here, I had another unicorn model. Market did a stop hunt right over here. Took out. Look, now this one has proven point, right? This one has fair value gaps, and this one has basket liquidity supporting it, right? And you can see this basket liquidity caused the move to the down to the south side. So when the market is going to internal, right? We're not gonna be taking internal. I'm not gonna be taking only fair value up to the downside, right? Or there's an internal to the downside, right? I'm not gonna only be taking that. We could be taking external to the internal, right? So if you have a lower time frame, right? So the overall drawn liquidity is internal. We could take a lower time frame external to the internal, right? Which right over here. So the liquidity, the last down closing candle prior to sweep was this right over here. What was the someone watch the market close below this right over here? I'm looking to enter. Had an entry right over here to the downside. Sell stop right above the fair value gap because fair value gap gives a better sell stop and better RR. Right over there, TP was right over here. And now once we do our angle position, right, our standard deviation perfectly aligns with this daily fair value gap market. So this daily for this one mark has a chance to push up the market, and what the market do, push up out of here, right? So this we're over here, you can see that there was concepts here, right? There's a fair value gap here and here, but what did the market bump out of here? Because the 1% mark, this could push the market back up. Now during this time, how could if you cash out on this, right? When I hit the daily fair value gap, which was the main draw on liquidity, just cash out over there, right? So you've been a 2.5 RR and I lost 1 RR. It is what it is, right? It's a really good up. I like this trade. I lost. This really just helped me better my understanding of how my drawn liquidity works, right? So really good trade. Thank you for watching. Damn, my ears are crazy. It's no longer September. Oh, it is September. I thought I was tripping. Okay, got the video posted. Now all we gotta do is this next one. Now we're gonna go back test, and this is what I'm gonna do right now. Go to the 1 minute time frame actually so I can get better positions in here. Alright, so now let's put the bar replay here. Bar replay here, you can just go farther back. The bar replay here. I'm gonna go like one more. This is the last one. So now I know I don't know where the market is. Cause I know how the like literally this market is gay. Okay, this is during what time? Actually, I'm gonna go back a little bit. This is back. Go to the random time right over here. Data point not available. Alright, so now during this time, go to the hourly time frame. We're in August. Oh my goodness. So during this time when we're in a all-time high, so market is at all-time high. I'm expecting to like bounce out of fair value, get to the upside. So I'm looking for a retracement, but I'm not gonna take no trades because there's no context to it. Right, but we gotta mark out the right entry point, which was right over here. I'm gonna back this for like 3 hours and get out. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, so the daily drawn liquidity as well. Daily drawn liquidity is an above all-time high, so I'm expecting higher moves out of here. The 4-hour drawn liquidity during this time. Market has no liquidity here, so I'm expecting a higher move to me personally because market is still above these. So I'm looking for another higher move. Then I'm looking for a internal move to the downside, right? So I'm still looking for a basket liquid to get swept out. Boom, right there. That's the external. So on the hourly time frame, I'm looking to enter out of liquidity to the right, which could be this hourly fair value gap. But out of this hourly fair value gap, the hourly time frame is bearish. So looking for a 15-minute unicorn model. That we got that right over there, right? So what we're looking for. So the 4-hour liquidity is bullish still. The 4-hour box is bullish. The 1-hour liquidity is 1-hour box is bearish. The 1-hour liquidity at this point is bullish. I'm looking for a I want to see how unicorn works, right? I'm gonna see. I'll put it down like one for auto blocks unicorns or one for Vagaps or Basilisk liquid unicorns, right? Put it down here. Market pushed up, pumped up a lot. Okay, still no entry here. Pump back down. Push back above, right? So John liquidity is still here. So now we could mark out the next session that could take out that liquidity. So market push down lower. Push down even lower from here. So did we put our drone liquidity wrong or did we put it right? Let's see. 4 o'clock. Let's call these liquidity. Okay, so what's the next drone liquidity in here? So like let's see. I'm gonna push price up a little bit. I want to see how price goes. So the market is gonna go here or not, right? Market is gonna go back up above. Okay, let's go back in time because I just wanted to see this real quick. Okay, so market, okay, so my thing was correct. So still going back to external because market hasn't taken out a external liquidity yet. So it's for VGAP. So we're entering out of the so market took out external. Now let's go back to the internal, which is over here. Now from this internal, should be the move right back up to the upside. You see next session, boom, push down. Took out the internal. Now let's see what price does afterward. Straight back up. Now next session is here. Now I'm looking for still longs. The market just touched the internal. Market is still that external position, right? We're still looking to long this bad boy to the external. Right over here. From these, I don't feel like we had any entry because we're looking for a 15-minute unicorn motor nice at a 5-minute. Yeah, no entries there. So still looking to long this bad boy. This fair value got inverse. So we're still looking to right now at the outside we're in the internal. So this fair value, the super liquidity should do it for us. Should back above. Our main goal is still over here. Took out liquidity. Now we're looking for a 15-minute unicorn model, which we don't got here, but we got a stop rate over there. Looking for the last up closing candles above here. Boom. Now we're looking for a candle closure above and looking for Raga with it, or vice versa. Okay, we got a candle closure above it. Now we got a 15 for Raga. There's a unicorn model. Now we just touched a internal, then external. The next one is right back to. So we just touched the internal to the external. The next one is right back to internal, which is the hourly time frame. This fair value gap, so this fair value gap would be one of my take profits. I'm not gonna use that fair value gap as a take profit, but our main drone liquidity is gonna be here in a 4-hour time frame. That or this right over here, yeah. So that's gonna be around these, so one of these, right? So now we're gonna go back to the lower time frame. Alright, we got this hourly fair value gap. Better keep in mind. So we got a 15-minute unicorn model. Now we're looking for a bounce back into it. Looking to buy right after bounce backs. Boom. Looking to buy over there. Oh, that's hell no. Like I'm trying to buy the right position. Boom. Let us stop playing. Okay, so now we have an entry. Let's just say we have an entry somewhere over here to start off the breakup block, which we always get regardless, right? So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Shortstop could be like 10 ticks, always over down here could be 10 couple ticks below it, right? At 28. It could be like this much ticks below it because it's all the way down there, right? So the RR is kind of ass. Well, you could go to lower time frame and predict a better RR, better south stop position, right? We could put our south stop below. We got 1, 2. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so we are below 15-minute. Okay. Cause this won't make sense. Once the market go down here, we're probably definitely gonna take that out. Okay. We bought right over there. The main take profit is gonna be based out of the standard deviation on a 15-minute time frame. That's where we're entering out of. We could use the 1 minute actually, yeah, we could use the 1 minute. Boom. So my take profit says that this should be the main drawn liquidity. So my first main take profit is going to be here because this one doesn't match with any of these, right? This doesn't match with that. But this one is close to this and to this. So this can be one of my take profit right over here. So our take profit is gonna be the edge of fucking this hourly fair value gap. Right. Boom, now we go to lower time frame. We could go back down even more, back down to this. We go to the 1 minute. Because we're now at trial to the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, we have the 1 minute data point here. So I'm looking to move down here. I'm looking for okay, so we're looking for a big construction back to the upside. So that's that. Okay, we have 9 revision, so we're looking for a big construction back to the upside. Boom, test the fair value gap. Looking for a big structure. Okay. It's just small fair value gap here, which didn't get inversed. Okay, this is giving us some really doo-doo RR. I mean, my entry would have been all the way over here. So once I'm entering over here at a secure spot, my set stop wouldn't be down there. It would be below the. So it'd be right below this low that they created. I mean, now I'm getting a shitty RR, bro. So yeah, now we could play this bad boy out. TP1 got hit, we're trying to break even. TP2 is along the way. Market is eventually gonna hit TP2, and I want to see a reaction out of this TP2 area. Okay, so we eventually did hit TP for a 1.4 RR, but the sell stop, the entry is so off. Oh my goodness. How could have you done a better entry on this? Because let's go back in time, right? I could have gotten a better entry on this. How could you have got a better entry on this? I could have gotten a better entry on this. They're doing a limit order or taking out some sort of liquidity here. Because I'm trying to be safe on these entries, right? I'm not trying to just do limit orders, get a booty cheeks entry, then price eventually cooks our ass. Okay. We had no fair value up here that was inversed. Ah, this is so gay, bro. See how the market just right when it did it was fair value gap, it just literally gave us the entry. Okay, so I want to think about something. Okay, I want to think about. The match is gonna be off as hell. It's gonna be so off. Ay. Because if you're gonna use just 15-minute, just say we just entering out the 15-minute order block. Shots out right below the breakup block because this is giving us a good amount of RR. Right, then TP is gonna be right on a 2 RR right over here. That's still a 1.5 RR. Damn. The RR is gonna be kind of off. Okay. I think a better RR. I gotta see how I can work this unicorn model out. See liquidity. We got another unicorn model right over here. See about this liquidity. Push above. So we could put ourselves on another on another. So market took out this other liquidity over here. We got another unicorn model on the 5-minute time frame. We could put, I think, ourselves above the 5-minute unicorn model. Right over there. Let's just say we take out a long entry over here. Just right below this, we can go for a same RR. So I want to see price react out of that zone area. So eventually go over here. Go touch this spot. Boom. I want to see price react out of it. You reacted right out of it, which is great. Okay. Gay. Okay. Just we got this right here, right? 1, 2, 3. You could put us just below this one. Below the spherical block. Okay. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. So like, do we do limit orders? I want to see what works out more in my favor, because if I do this, you see, this is one. So where can I put this textbook? Is there any textbooks I could put it on? Like anywhere here. So liquidity one. Okay, I could put it somewhere in my Discord. Hey, hold up. I might just gotta market recap. Yeah, it's gonna put analysis recap instead of market recap. Okay, so okay. So we got this right over here. G1 limit 1. Okay. Now we go to our next session. Now before we go to the next session, now we gotta see the 4-hour. Push all the way to 2 a.m. Now market just took out external. Now you go to internal, and the next one back to the external. Okay. But we gotta wait till next session to decide that. Okay, this kinda sus. Okay, so main drone liquidity is still here because market just took out a. Okay, so market just did what? Market just touched the fair value gap, but the fair value gap inversed. So the next drone liquidity is back to the downside for more internals. So over here now, market doesn't want to go down there. Wants to expand here, so they see the daily time frame. Okay. Only care about daily time frame sometimes, right? When the market is choppy. Okay. Now this is going to be now set up because looking for sales, and the next time I know there's no sales here. Market pushed above. Closing above, so I had to let this scan for a candle close. Now got a closer above. Now gotta have to wait till 7 o'clock. 8 a.m. is right over here. After 8 a.m. I'm looking to long this bad boy. So right over here, this is I'm looking too long. This probably already got touched. Okay, this is now the drawn located is still into a external, but we're looking for it to enter out of the internal. So fair value should be it. Haven't touched it yet. But yeah, during this time, market just afterwards dumped a lot, upping into a internal liquidity. So now market is internal. Or the 6 o'clock, we're looking too long. It's the market drawn liquidity is already bullish. We're looking too long out of that. Boom. 10 o'clock, 11. Do we have any 5-minute unicorn model here? No unicorn model just passed. Okay, so no unicorn model during this time. So now we're just gonna wait till the next session to look for a setup, right? Which come in here. Keep on playing this bad boy until we get to this position. Okay, so now our main drawn liquidity is still back to the. So market just touched the internal. There's we have a. So market already touched the internal. The next one is back to external, which is over here. My main drawn liquidity is gonna be back to this side. We got an internal over here, so I'm looking for some sort of move back above. But price during this time did push down for some reason. Let's find out why. But market says my main goal is not gonna be there. It's gonna be right on this 4-hour because here the bots are looking right. So let me right back to external right over here. So I'm looking for some sort of longs. Go to long out of a solid liquidity right over here, which is this low, which is not that low. There's 3 candle permission. Yeah, it is a swing low. 1, 2, 3 swing highs right over here. Boom, took out this low. I don't even know if this is the fucking low. Yeah, I don't know how this thing works, so I'm not gonna count it as a low. But there's no setups here. No actual thing about my mango. John Luke is still there. Okay, no setups during this session. Next session is gonna be the go. So main goal is still gonna be this. So market goes from internals fair value gap. So market go from this fair value gap now to go to liquidity, which is over here. Now market has this other fair value gap. Then there's liquidity is back to this downside, but still looking for a clear long bone. So I'm still looking for that long. Why? Strong liquidity is still here for me. It's from what strong as this liquidity, energy liquidity right back to the side. Let's just see if market is gonna go there. So now I'm looking too long out of this outside liquidity, which market during this time was probably some sort of news. Market dumped even more, taking out all these liquidity on the 4-hour time frame. Boom. They're already set up for a 10-minute unicorn model. Oh. So this should have been the move, right? Was it this? Should have been the move. Okay. I think I was wrong. I think I was just trying to use my fucking memory too much. Stick to what market gives us. Okay, so the 4-hour. Okay, is still here for me. Because market went from internal to external. Then was it if his basket liquidity from external to internal, then from internal to external. Okay, so we're bullish. So we got an internal fair value gap here. I'm looking to long out of these sweeps because why? Currently is already bullish. Now I'm looking to long out of this. I don't have super liquidity. I'm looking for the last bullish candle. Should this over here. Now we don't get another sweep. Yeah, no unicorn model here. So now I'm just gonna wait till the next session to see if there's gonna be a setup there. Let's keep on playing. So our price looks like it's gonna be correct. Okay, so 4 hour. Wrong looking this time, still bullish. I'm still looking now. I'm looking to aim for this. Looking to aim for that. So let's see on that. Market just touched the internal. But market took out that auto liquidity. So market touched that internal thing. Now we're gonna go back to the external, which is bouncing liquidity. But market took out this liquidity. So from this external, now we're going back to internal. Right, so the internal is back what? It's far for value gap. So now from this far for value gap, we're looking to go back to external. This is so fucking confusing. Alright, I mean, we're back. This is why we back testing, right? So daily time, what's happening? Took out his external, the next one is drone internal. The daily drone locator is over here to the downside. Now let's see if we can get a lower time frame. So our main goal is going to be over here on the daily time frame because market took a liquidity from internal. This probably, it looks like he closed above, but people don't like to call this unless he calls like a more above it. That was not a strong close. So boom, now we took out internal, took out external, and then we go back to internal. We don't got it, but we now got an internal right over here. Now from here, we look at just short this bad fucker. Just list some liquidity line. Okay, so I'm looking to lose short out of these fair value gaps to the external, which is over here. Touched it. Now we're looking for the 15-minute unicorn model. No unicorn model yet. Took out the liquidity. I'm looking for expansion down. Boom. Now we got expansion down here, which is past. Oh no, man. No. See, we got a stop rate. Got a closure below this. And fair value gap inside of it. So to change the main location to the daily time frame to the downside, so we're looking for sales. Okay, we're gonna use the daily time frame more often then, okay. Still finding out. Okay, test my entry criteria. Now we go to the 1 minute to execute. Boom, test it. The 1 minute time frame broke sharp yet. Broke sharp on this candle. We're looking for fair value gap to get inverse. Which we had no fair value gaps here. No, we had a small ass fair value gap. Boom, then we're looking for this bearish candle. So this bearish candle is my entry. For sales. Sell stop, go back to the 5 minute time frame. Would be where? Not here. Okay, so 35 minute core model, 5 minute columns are over here. So my chest look like to be right above that one. Like the 15 time frame, how's the 15 time looking like? Yeah, above the other 5 minute core model. I mean, let's see how this one works out. Same take profit is gonna be there. Now we're gonna do the standard deviation from this high to this low. Okay, so the first take profit is definitely gonna be this. On the hourly time frame is definitely gonna be this. Second take profit is gonna be this right over here. This is aligning with this. And third take profit is not gonna be here, it's gonna be this right over here, these two, okay. So mess that up. It's gonna be this right over here, these two. Okay, you would have taken me out, okay. Price eventually pushed back up. You would have took me out at stop loss. Then this is the 15 minutes, so it's supposed to be doing 15 minutes soft stops, okay. But the RR is so ass. Oh my goodness, bro. See, if we would have put our sell stop above this, fast liquidity would have gotten stopped out. This breakup block, so you have to be above a fair value gap. So let's go back to the 5 minute. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. So that would have been a loss, but we got a better position in our position by doing it like this, right? Taking that out. And putting. So let's just say we shorted from here. So the next candle we're gonna short. Right, let's just say we shorted from there. So that's gonna be right above this. Right, then we're gonna put take profit right at the 2% mark. So we're going for like at least like a 1-to-1 RR. Market did go up, drop back down. Boom, hitting full TP. Our last if it could have been here, but there's no building block in the hourly time frame. Wait, we have this hourly auto block, which mean threshold of this. Nah. But yeah, that would have been right there. Boom. Our fourth one would have definitely connected with that. What? Right to the dot? Crazy. So our fourth one went straight to the thing, right? Which. Okay. I might keep my fourth one, but we're gonna keep on backtesting to know what's good. Okay. So how could have we done our better entry on this and get like a better entry, not a worse entry? It's very difficult. Okay, so putting sets above a fair value is always like a good move to do. Yeah, okay. Let's keep on back testing to see. Now let's go to the next session at late time frame. Now the market test this. Now the next drawn liquidity is back to the upside, which is gonna be this daily time frame, right? So we're gonna go from the daily time frame to the 4 hour to the 1 hour. Okay, that's how we're gonna do our boss now. Then daily's over there, 4 hour. We're gonna go to the time, then we're gonna decide. So the 4 hour says this internal fair value gap. Now the next one is external, which I'm looking to go over here, right, in a 4 hour time frame, because market goes from internal to external. And if it's basket liquidity from external to internal to the fair value gap, what is the fair value gap there? If the drawn liquidity is bearish, that's gonna be internal to external. Okay, that makes sense. So I'm looking to long till here. So a major liquidity is there. We're gonna go up based out of what the take profit gives us, right? So now I'll go to our hourly time frame. Not looking to long out of any of these. So this right here, this for on our fair value gap. I'm not looking to use any auto blocks. Boom, price pushed up, came back down a little bit. So next session should be the move, right? Yeah, next session, boom, pushed up. Next session piece should be the move to it. Okay. We got another fair value gap that haven't touched before market open. So our major liquidity is still all the way over here, right? The daily zone liquidity is over there. And whatever that standard deviation gives us, we're gonna go for out of that. And in the hourly, we got plenty of drawn liquidity, but in the 4-hour time frame, drawn liquidity tells us here. But in the hourly time frame, it tells us over here, but it just gets ran down, it's gonna be over there. But let's not get too off topic here, right? I'm gonna put down the closest one to the market. I'm not gonna be putting down some realistic one, right? But the daily one is all the way over there because daily time frame does this, right? This 4-hour fair value gap. So now next one, which we're looking for. This session at fucking Powell speaking, bro. Boom, look at I shorted there. I lost the won the trade, but stupid ass got stopped out of break even. Okay, boom. Took out his liquidity. Now looking to long from out of this to the external to internal over here at CP1. Whatever the standard deviation gives us, right? The alt time frame is still bullish, right? So looking to look for a 5-minute unicorn model. Market pumped out of this because of fucking the last closing candles were these. There was a fair value gap here as well. So we got our unicorn model all the way up here. Yeah, there's a little bit no trades because the motherfucker Powell is speaking. So I'm gonna go to the next one. This now we're looking to see how price played out to there. Now market is at daily zone liquidity. Is that what's the daily zone liquidity? Daily zone liquidity is still bullish. We're still looking to go over here on the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. We just took out liquidity from bots. This gives a strong bullish candle. We have plenty of equal highs over here. Lots of equal highs. Okay. So I'm still looking to long because the 4 box has bullish still. We have this 4 for value gap that we could change, right? Because market just took out external, now internal, then eventually from here back to the external, right? To long here, but yeah, whatever the standard deviation gives us, we're looking to go there. So let's go over here. Let's see what the standard deviation gives us. We're not with the internal. Let's see if we can go to the external. Market is pumped up. Yeah, during these times, market just pump up so much. 4-hour time frame. So market ran this, so the market is still at external, so market is still looking to go over here. Ran through that shit. Giving us no conflicts of getting in, okay. So just gonna wait till next session then. Okay, so at 10 o'clock we're still in the A external, so our main buy still there. Looking too long. Right, market did create a small ass fair value gap. The age on liquidity is still bullish, so this right over here would have been one of our thing. We had this huge 4-hour early fair value gap here as well. So we're still in the external, so still looking too long that bad boy, but in the 4-hour time frame, okay, we're still looking too long. This 1-hour time frame during that time. Yeah, there's no unicorn model, came back down. Yeah, no unicorn model here. Wait. Yeah, no, unicorn model gotta sell. So right now it goes over here, then we look at the long. See if we could get a long position here. Yeah, it's past 12 now. Yeah, no entries here. Now we'll go back to daily time frame for the next session, which is over here. Let's just play that price to there. The daily drone liquidity is so bullish to this, so the daily time frame, we want to go over here. The 4-hour time frame. So that is liquidity tested fair value gap. So the next one is back to, so market tested fair value gap, which we are in an internal, but during that time we never had a setup. We came back down lower. We're back into another internal. Now the next one is back to external, which is this and this, right? Now we're looking to, I'm looking to for this fair value to get disrespected to the upside. Since because this right here is going against the daily and the 4-hour more for the during liquidity. This was external, so I'm looking at that 1 hour time frame to look for a long. I want to see how this auto block plays out, or I'm looking for a fair value gap here. We have two relative equal lows, so we could mark a long out of here. Yeah, I had a source set up here, so let's see. We had a fair value gap over here. So this fair value gap might be the cause. Boom, market pushed back down. So out of the fair value gap during this time, I never had a setup. So to the curry, yeah, no setup. Now during this time, which is just during this time for. So now looking to long this bad boy, no setup. Early close. Early time frame close bearish. So market took a liquidity, still looking to long this bad boy back up here. And all of these hourly. Damn, this is difficult, bro. I'm gonna keep it normalized. This is 4:45. Now we're just gonna wait till the next session. So a major look is still over here in a daily on the 4-hour. So a major look is still over here because market just touched in a daily time frame. Internal to external. On the 4-hour time frame, we were already in an internal, market went back to external. Now from here we're looking back to the long because a major on liquidity is still above here. Why? Ran through this liquidity, then the next one still back to external, market touched this, see about this liquidity, and then tested for value gap, came back down. Now we're still looking too long, so we gotta wait for it. We gotta be patient, right? We can't just be like, okay, now this is not giving us setup, let's keep on going. Took out that liquidity. Now we're waiting for this bad boy till next session. Next session I'm looking to, okay, next session I'm still looking too long out of this. Boom. So it's the main journal key for our time frame is what? The main journal key for our time frame is over here, right? But the daily is all the way over here. So whatever the standard deviation gives us, we're gonna go out of that. Market dumps, took out liquidity first, dumps a lot, takes out liquidity. Now, do we have a unicorn model here? We do. Ooh. Super liquidity. 5-minute unicorn model, 15-minute unicorn model because all time frame is bearish. Closure above fair value gap with that, so we're looking to long out of this fair value gap. I mean breakup block. Sell stop is gonna be whatever they give the better RR, right? So now I'll do the standard deviation. So standard deviation says that so our final take profit is gonna be all due to this all-time high, right? Our final take profit, first take profit. See, like now this is unrealistic for this 4RR. There's nothing that's matching with it. So I mean, so tell you will. So we just gotta keep it in the chart. So I'm gonna go. When I do my standard deviation, I'm gonna go whatever the market gives me, right? Whatever the thing says, this goes there, goes there. But I'm not trying to do this bad, harshly. I'm not gonna use a 4-hour. I'm not gonna use a 4 point just because I feel like it involves greed to me. To me, it involves greed. So I'm trying to avoid greed. So I'm just gonna not do that. Go to the hourly time for 15 time frame. Got a 15-minute unicorn model right over here as well. Zoom, boom, closure above. We got a 5-minute unicorn model. Couple of shots right below the 5-minute scan closure, right? 1, 2, 3. This give me some CDS. Sell stop. 10. This RR is kind of ass off. I'm gonna put it right below this one. This low. We're gonna put it right below the stop rate where the low got created, right? Where the stop rate got created, because this gives us a really bad RR on this. First TP is not gonna. First TP is gonna be where now the time frame. First TP is gonna be right over here. So I'm not gonna be use this. I'm not gonna be use this as a take profit, right? I'm not gonna be use this as a take profit. That's gonna be first take profit. Second take profit is gonna be not here, not here, neither here. It's gonna be 1 and 2. Okay. Let's see how this works out. Okay, let's see if this goes in our favor or not. Sell stop is gonna be below what? Damn, it's gonna be some hard ass way to do this shit. So let's see. For now, let's see. Let's buy over here. Wait, we can't buy there until the market gets down there. Gets down there eventually, all the way below the breakup block. Okay, we got something here. We got something. So we gotta put our stats up below a fair value gap, regardless. Okay, regardless below a fair value gap. Okay, this gives us a worse RR. Or it's kinda really off here, but we would have not gonna stopped out, but because there's something we've been right below there. But let's go to the lower time frame back again and see if we can get a better RR on this. Okay, low time frame. Boom. Let's see if we can get some sort of better RR on this. And you're like, okay, so we have a 1 5-minute auto block right over here. We could put our sell stop right below the 5-minute threshold. Okay. Where would have been our sell stop? Market did not take us out because our sell stop was right below this couple. How many ticks about these? What were the difference on these, right? 19 ticks. So what I'm gonna do right now? Take action based out of the super liquidity, right? So I'm gonna put myself at below the super liquidity, the low, and I wanna see. So from now on to the end of this stream, I'm gonna keep putting myself up there. So let's just say we bought some price point above. We got the 1 minute to use. We got a bullish. We're looking for a 1 minute confluence out of this. So let's see if we get a 1 minute confluence. Okay, that right there is gonna be our entry. So now we got a candle closure above. So now we just avoid a lot of drawdown. We got a candle closure above. So that's gonna be more bullish. So now we could definitely put our sell stop. So how that guy said it was that when you put your sell stop for breakup blocks, you gotta first make sure that the candle closes above. So the 15-minute time frame is in the 5-minute time frame, not 15-minute time frame, right? In the 5-minute, I mean, I'm pretty sure the 15-minute time frame is more important than the 5-minute in this case. But let's just act like that. We just need a candle closure in the 5-minute, right? So you get a candle closure above it in the 5-minute. That should be the green sign, right? We got a candle closure above it. Now looking to long out of that. Sell stop is gonna be right below the breakup block because market already up the rest down there, right below the breakup block. So now we're looking to long out of this to the 2RR. Boom. See how the market reacts out of this. So for I take profits there, until the market goes there, I'm not gonna try or nothing. So let's see if the market takes out or not. Okay, market looks like it's gonna take us out. Pushes back. Okay, hit CP1. Now once he hit CP1, I'm looking to break even. So now I'm at break even with that. We're gonna get the break structure here, right? Break structure up here. Once that's still gonna be below. So low. Boom. We're gonna stop out. Okay. So I don't feel like I should be doing, trialing, because like I said, don't try your sell stop either TP or sell stop, right? Only once you hit TP. So once you hit TP1, we're break even. We're up 2RR on this, pretty sure. Yeah, 2RR. So now I'm gonna take out. Should I take out positions or let? Okay, so I'm gonna take out positions actually, says, because I'm not trying to build bad habits, right? So I'm not trying to be greedy. T1 hit. Actually, just gonna watch. I'm just gonna follow my rules. So this says for me to get out, but what the market does afterward. Let's see, closes above even more, right? Comes back down. Need a break even spot. That's 2.5. Okay, so we gotta put a better sell stop here, right? Boom. Cause this is near this. This 2 point is near this. Okay. Now we go back in price. And do more of our replay here. So second take profit would be here. Third take profit would be right there. Okay. Cause it's relatively close to this. Okay, so this my total to get out, and the 5-minute time frame total to get out. 15-minute time frame total to get out. So let's just see. The market still rallied up to the second take profit. Now, if you would have done partials here, break even, let runners run to the second TP, then if that tells us to, maybe we're gonna try to stop loss over here. Okay, boom, got us out. So TP2 got hit. Now market wants to okay, so I took out 50% mark here. I took another 50% mark here, so I'm making the whole vintage. Okay, so I want to see. I'm gonna touch it up, right?
Should you take partial profit trading? It's a strategy that many traders use to lock in gains and reduce risk. When you take partials, you secure some profits while allowing the rest of the position to run. It's like having your cake and eat it. But remember, partials also mean potential missed gains if the market continues in your favor. To decide if partials are right for you, consider your trading style, risk tolerance, and your overall strategy. There's no one size fits all answer. Like, share, and subscribe for more. It's not broken. Don't get it wrong. It's out there, but at the end of the day, everyone's the fair value gap. Now, partials are a huge, huge benefit to number one, helping students because it teaches proper money management and proper trade management. And it helps you grow as a trader, helps you understand, it helps you navigate what it teaches you. But there is no that's going to be a perfect. That's the part that you bring into that's your personality. So start. That means when you get to a first threshold of profitability for a partial, but if you had more support position, the way you condition yourself to grow as a trader, you get to that first threshold, trader. So you graduate to the point you can hold on to that first idea with one contract to the first partial. Now, if anyone goes to my channel, there's too many divergences happening. If we look,
So partials are very abundant. So it's like 50% mark out of here. So boom, let the rest run. We all got to, okay.
SMC traders the best forex. It's mainly because of the risk reward. SMC or smart money concept traders are trying to trade with the banks. They try to catch the tops and bottoms of move, often using a really tight stop loss, which makes their wins huge gainers. Some
Yeah, just a second or something. Just a second.
should you be taking partial profits of a specific amount of profit once you hit certain? This allows a trader to lock some of the profit, right? If price down. Now, I've previously traded strategies where I have partially locked certain positions. However, my current strategy that has not all the position entries that I take, I shoot in less than one. Now, the reason I do this is that I like to let my trade ride out, play in there, try to milk out as much profit. I'll then use a trail stop as it gets closer and closer. So if price does go against my position, it will take out my trail loss. I recommend that you should use trail stop rather than profits, as trail stops now you take more out of the market closer to your designated. Should you be taking partial profits in a specific amount of profit once you hit certain levels? This allows a trader to lock some of the profit, right? If price was to turn around and stop. Now, I've previously traded strategies where I have partially locked my profit out of 20 trading days. When the big days happen, setups happen, things to keep those setups. That requires you to have patience. That requires you to sit in your hand. Traders, they like to take partial, really take risk, table, profit, see a bit of money. What you want to do opposite on, do your good well, it's profit to maximize profitability. If the trade goes bad, then it's a good idea. Gives you the exposures. Trade goes like to close gradually options very rarely. Stop loss doesn't hurt Neil. Today I'm going to talk about trading signals that are offering you take profit levels. First take profit 61. I had no target in mind. I wasn't targeting. So my first take profit 62. Take profit then you just target the structural.
Too. I never really believed that technical analysis and fundamental analysis, at least for this public knowledge, can take in this position.
My husband and I are going through IVF treatment now. It would be our only chance to have a family. But Donald Trump's plan banned IVF in some states. He is in the military. He volunteered to serve. We are patriots and we go where he is assigned. If we end up in a state if it's no Susan.
Kamala Harris and I approve.
All right, I'm just gonna go best out of this. Like,
In this video, I'm going to do on a day-to-day basis. So without that,
all right, he just like I'm just gonna follow that guy sayings, bro. I'll be right back. I gotta take a shit. rock me now. Rock me now. Okay, I'm not doing no partials. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just follow my 15-minute rule. You take profit rule. What the guy they told me that. We're going for a 2 RR in this bad boy. Mechanical closure below it's gonna be like a straight pipe to 1.89 RR. How could you break that shit better? Oh, 15. Oh, there's a 30-minute time frame. Oh yeah, that's even worse RR over there. It's all the way below this. So we could have cast a better. Okay, so now what my keep in mind is. Okay, so I want to see. So when he's gonna take profit, I want to see a 1 minute big straight back to the downside, and that's gonna decide if I'm gonna stay or not with the 15-minute. I want to take a better down and it goes back up. But yeah, no, I do that. Okay, back in track. I'm sorry for going to the bathroom. Gotta take a big shit. Gotta take a big shit. Daily John Liquidity is still bullish for me. The Daily John Liquidity now has changed. Still over here. I mean, now it looks like to be here because market looks like credit Daily John Liquidity. When does this daily time frame close, right? When does the new day begin? When does the new day begin, right? I want to mark the next day. So 18 o'clock is the next day. Okay, 18. Okay. So there's 18. Okay, so created boss liquidity. So that's giving me our new take profit, right? Okay. So then the daily time frame does the new John liquidity. Now on the 4-hour time frame. Gonna wait till price plays out a little bit. Price plays down even more. The next candle is a 4-hour candle. Okay, so now we're looking to still long from here. So market just has the internal. Okay. Market took out external. The next one is internal. Okay, so on the daily time frame, the John liquidity is still bullish. In the 4-hour time frame, market took out external. Now the next one is internal. It's gonna get invalidated. The next one is back to downside. I'm feeling like all the way down here, or another one gets created. It can't be this one. It's because it's external. So wait, very confusing now. So okay. So market took out as external, right? So now I'm looking for internal movements. So I'm looking to short to all over here. Does the market actually go there? Market does not go there. Because Daily John liquidity is still upside, right? Okay. Okay, fuck, this is gay. Okay, so going based out of what the daily time frame tells us, then we go to the 4-hour. Make the 4-hour match with the daily time frame. Yeah, we're gonna use the daily because the 4-hour is so complicated, right? So we're gonna use the daily first. So daily John liquidity as well. Daily John liquidity is still back to the upside. We're still looking to go to this high over here. 4-hour tells us that how could we got it into the upside. So the 4-hour John liquidity is at this point bearish. Market just is inverted, and now it's just liquidity giving us a really close bearish closure. Boom, let's mark that out. Let's see how the next candle closes. Because I'm looking too long, right? I'm looking too long to hold over here, but I want to get in the right spot, right? This is the next session right over here. Market in the 4-hour time frame is in a internal, so market should be going down here. So like all the way down here until Ferrari gets created or something. The daily is internal, so we want to match it up. We want to align it, right? So now this. Wait, but I don't care because the daily John liquidity is bullish. Okay, so I'm looking to long out of this here because the daily John liquidity is still bullish, right? So now go to the hourly time frame. We're too long out of that. Okay, let's see now in the hourly. So now external to internal. I'm looking for this fair value gap to get completely disrespected. But our major look is going to be old over here. Alright, so let's see if they can get disrespected. See what this liquidity. Boom, we're looking for a 15-minute because hourly time frame is bearish. So either market moves above this and goes back down, or closes above, no sweep. So what the market's decided to do is possibly push down, right? Boom, push down even more. Okay, push down more. 4:30, 5 o'clock is right over here. Okay, market no entry. So now we're waiting till the next session to see for that long entry, right? So now we're looking for the 4-hour time frame. So now the 4-hour liquidity is bullish because market. So the daily is in a external. The 4-hour right now is in a internal. So I want to see how are we gonna play this off? Right, let's just play the price real quick. So market took out more, came back all the way down here, taking out those liquidity, right? The fair value gap is all the way down here. This is fair value gap already got filled, so I'm looking like there should be no entries here, right? It's literally like there should be no entries here. Right at 8, market opens. Looks like there's liquidity, so I don't want to see this play out. Okay, let's see if this can play out or not. Yeah, so now we're into the next session. So now let's see price develop to this. So the 4-hour drawn liquidity is bearish, right? Because it's at external right now, still internal. We want it to be that at the external. Okay, so let's see price play out. So oops. Oops, oh fucking gay. So now what we're looking like, we're looking to long anywhere from here because the price now is at external, internal. Now we're looking to long out of here because the daily drawn liquidity is external. So we're looking for that time frame to match up. We're looking at the daily, the 4-hour. Now I want to match up, right? Daily is at the external, right? 4 hours right now is at just as it is. So market was already at external. This is internal right over here. Now I'll go back to the external. Market just was already external. We're going to internal, right? So this doesn't really matter. We're looking for the fair value gap. Okay, so let's see if we got a fair value gap here. This is probably an NFP. Boom, 2 o'clock. Looking for some sort. We're looking to long out of fair value gaps. So now we're looking to long out of this. This is where we're looking to long out of this daily imbalance, right? Now, how was the 4-hour in a external first, right? Now it's at internal because when the market took out its liquidity, it's still none of these matter unless they're both in balance, right? Which is all down here. These doesn't matter because until they're both in balance. Now we get this both in balance. Now we're looking to go at the hourly time frame. So now with that time, will we have that paired up with a 4-hour with on our hourly with a 4-hour fair value gap? Now that we got a that and that, now we're looking for the hourly confluence, which we already have, which is the auto block. So now I want to see if they could play out with the auto block, right? Definitely bearish. So looking for that 15-minute unicorn, which we don't get. I don't think we should be. I don't think we got the unicorn mode here. Yeah, no unicorn mode, but market just pumped up. Yeah, market eventually pumped up, closed below, told to get out. Now price should definitely be moving lower. And now, yeah, so never hit our internal goal, external goal. So our drawn liquidity is still gonna be over here. Now we're gonna wait till the next session, which is at 2 o'clock. Boom. Let price play out a little bit. Okay, so right now, right here, market close above, so we're still in a. I don't believe the closure below or above, so we're still in a external. So the 4 daily Jones liquidity is at an external. 4-hour Jones liquidity is at an external because it's a Boston liquidity, right? And 1-hour Jones liquidity is in a. So now we're looking to long out of here. We're looking for the target to get inversed. All right, so give us more bullish movement. The both of them are external, so the daily and the 4 don't get jerked. So now we're looking for the hourly conflict to go for upside. So a hourly what? External to internal. So the dailies are external, which is liquidity. 4 hour liquidity is in an external. Which is liquidity. 1 hour liquidity is in a bearish. 1 hour liquidity is what? 1 hour is in what? Knowledge for value gap. So if we get a super liquidity, it's gonna be in a what? External as well, right? It's gonna be right now market. What are the hourly time frame bounced out of? For value gap. So internal, external, then back to internal, which is gonna be the hourly time frame doesn't really matter, but the higher time frame does matter. Okay. We could try out of a super liquidity, which we did with this. We never got. What? Okay, so we got a huge bounce up. Now I want to see this auto breaker block. I want to see this auto block one like not go as planned. Never test one. Oh no, this is NFP. I don't trade during NFP. Yeah, this is I don't trade Lennox from this NFP. So no, just gotta let next session come play. This session, this is NFP, pretty sure. Was it NFP or some? It was some sort of news. If you go play company price. No, this was not news. No news. Okay. It was NFP day. I was like, okay, I'm not trading on the session. It's NFP. But during this time, no session, no entries. The 8 o'clock is there. Go to the 4 hour time frame. The daily first. Daily is still over here. On this external range. 4 hour is still in this external range. So look at too long. Hourly is in the internal back to external. So don't look at this, touch this internal back to external from the back to internal. Wait, right now the outer frame is in what? Focus on outer frame. Is outer frame in the external because why? People the market does it for value gap. You got invalidated though. Tricky as hell. Okay, tricky is very tricky. But Ali Jones liquidity during this time was bullish, pretty sure, right? Ali definitely broke the up. It's pretty common to say what is the Ali Jones liquidity. Yeah, Ali Jones liquidity is bullish, right? Because Ali Jones liquidity is in a external, which is over here. I'm gonna touch this. I'm gonna touch this for Boston liquidity. No, for Viga, I mean. Boom. I had a short setup there, I'm pretty sure. No 15 minute, right? Oh yeah, I did have 15 minute. Okay, you can see right over here, I have 15 minute. You want to call more to the downside, but that is not aligned with the daily in the 4 hours, so I'm not gonna take that. So what we're gonna do is look to enter long out of this. So it's, I know this day did not go as planned. It's just going down, but let's see if we had an execution entry there. Market dumped. Okay, taking a liquidity. I'm looking too long out of this. I'm looking for candle closure above this with the fair value gap, which we never got. Okay, market just closed below, even down lower. Okay. Now, prior to this, when the mechanical are above this, yeah, no. So he's gonna wait till next day. And we're still looking for those long. We're still looking for those long setups. So now I'm looking too long. These are relatively equal highs, so I'm looking too long out of there. But this week, I'm pretty sure it was, yeah, this week was NFP week. So let's see how this goes. Still in that external range. Let's see more contention. The price play a little bit. Okay, so we're still in a 4 hour. We're in a external. How are we not 4 hour in external? Market pulled from external with liquidity, so market just took out this liquidity. Hello, who's this? Hello.
Yo, this Taki?
Yep.
Oh, what's your bitch ass doing right now?
Who is this?
What you doing right now, bro?
What the fuck, nigga? Who's this? New York?
Oh, don't call that
What you mean wanna do?
shit.
Who is this? Man, I'll fuck your booty, bro. I don't know who you is, but nah, you gay, bro. I don't know who you is, bro. Alright, bro.
Bro,
Dirk?
bro,
Derek.
Dino?
Andy. Bro, what? When was the last time we met, bro? Check that. Where? Sexton? Damn, I don't even know, bro. Nah, I got some, you know what I'm saying, memory losses type shit.
Calling to see what you
Who? What the fuck? And when did I give you my number?
like. When did you?
Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Not to be no fake ass, but like, I can't remember, bro. Cause like recently it wasn't a boxing match and I got my ass beat, so that's some brain damage, bro. Nah, I ain't got my ass beat, but the last round I got my ass cooked. Hell nah. These motherfuckers are MMA fighters, bro. Oh, you gay, bro. Who is this, bro? Derek? Derek. Man, I don't even know, brother. I'm a box, motherfucker. You, I only box out of school, bro. I never box in school, bro. Damn. Shit, so Derek. Bro, I never heard the name Derek, bro. Yeah, as I said, bro, like recently MMA fight, that motherfucker knocked me. Not he knocked me out, but he got me cooked. Yeah, yeah, my memory is kind of ass. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I got my ass left cooked. You hell no, bro. How much you weigh, bro? Wait. Who is this, bro? Who is this, bro? Who is this, bro? Derek? Yo, we call from New York City, bro. Oh, hell no, you ain't no gangster, you bitch ass pussy. You ain't no gangster, bro. Wait, but like, give me a quick recap, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Of who are you, bro? Like, you know what I mean?
at a gas station
Hell yeah.
next to Walmart like a while ago?
Yeah, but
Oh, no.
during that time, yeah, I did work in a gas station, but like, who would I tell that to?
Nigga, you told
Yeah, I did, but can't remember your face, bro. Cause I don't go based out of name. I go based out of faces. Like, you know, just go based out of that, bro. Cause my English is not that good, right? So my you know, my names are kind of off.
once you, yeah, maybe just give
Nah,
me.
I gotta kill your ass, bro. How much you weigh, bro? I knock your ass out, bro. How much you weigh?
I want just go, just text me tomorrow, bro.
Texting, bro. Bro, I hate high school, bro. I dropped out, bro. Like, fuck that shit, bro.
Bro, like, okay, so let's meet up there Monday, cause there's like little.
What'd you say?
I said we should wait until the kids come out of school on Monday. And then
Bro, the little kids talk to them, bro. What you talking about, bro?
what I'm talking about is just-
You graduated too, right? You graduated or
Yeah.
you graduated? So how the fuck do I don't know you? Damn, my memory is kinda ass. Eric. Damn, bro, my shit's kinda booky, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I hope he give you a few punches.
Boy, I'll knock your ass out, boy. You come to Powerhouse, bro. Come to East Lansing Powerhouse, bro. I'll beat your ass over there, bro.
Alright, bro. I did that.
Bro, pull up around like 10 to 11 to 1 a.m., bro. Cause that's when I go to gym. For real, I ain't gonna lie.
Tomorrow?
I mean, I think my car tire popped, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That shit got fucked up. So probably like in
So,
2 to 3 weeks, bro. I'll knock your ass out for free.
bro, I popped it right.
Hell no. Yeah. I ain't know where you popped that shit, bro. Was it you, bro? Cause I wasn't the one who did it, bro. If it was you, I'd beat your ass, bro.
Up there whenever.
I got you, bro. Like, you know, rarely, bro. I gotta slave like what, fucking 60 hours a week, bro.
Damn. Let me know when you're
Who is you, my nigga? Derek. You white or black, bro? You Mexican. Okay, Mexican. Okay, Derek. Oh, you that Mexican guy who look a little cute, right? That one, right?
You just call me cute?
No. You look like, you know, say you the way you dress. Like, you know. Was it that one? Nah, yeah, you kind of look gay, bro. Like, you know, saying 2024, you doing that shit, bro. Kind of. Is that you, right? That's you, right?
Yes, bro.
Oh shit. That real life Mexican motherfucker, eh? Alright then, bro. Like anytime, bro. Like pull up to Powerhouse, bro. I ain't going to no school no more, bro. Fuck that shit. I dropped out. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Pull up there at probably Monday, bro. You know Powerhouse is?
Monday, man.
But you go to college, right?
You plan to-
Oh, East Lansing. So you go to college, so you know where the place is at. Hell yeah, bro. Pull up there, bro. Alright, brother. What's up, brother? Bitch ass. Who is, bro? I don't know, bro. First time, bro. First time. Somebody actually from high school called me, bro. Fuck, man. Alright, let's get to it, bro. So the forward John Kitty, the daily John Kitty is bullish, right? So the John Kitty, bro. Okay, so market is going from external to internal, right? So the next one's over here, right? So the next John Kitty is obviously gonna be here in the daily because market take out more. Because market already tested for VIGAP, right? Never taking out this liquidity. Next one's over here. The 4 hour time frame. market moves out of liquidity, so market touches fair value gap now. From here, the next obvious one to the upside. This one got invalidated. This one got invalidated. Now this one got invalidated. So next one is from here, sweep liquidity. Next one's from right back to internal, right? So because damn, I'm getting cooked right now. Hold on, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out though. Okay, so market moves out of so this fair value gap, right? Fair value gap, market move fair value gap and liquidity. This touched it, the market move up here. So now I'm looking for more longs because boom. This one got disrespect, this fair value got disrespect. So now I'm looking for more shorts. So now I'm looking for another fair value just got invalidated. So that means am I looking for longs or because I'm not trying to go analysis paralysis. That's the thing I don't want to be doing. The 4-hour batches bet this week is a major news week. So during this time, so I'm looking for some sort of liquidity, right? I just want to play recording fast, which is crazy. So am I looking for some sort of internal? Okay, so okay, this makes more sense. This days I know how that days goes. Okay, so now you go back in time. So we're in an external. Right now we're going back to internal, which is the fair value gap. Pretty sure the fair value already got touched. But yeah, kinda gay, bro. Okay, bro. Kinda gay, man. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you this. Now we're looking for longs the next session. I'm gonna go to long back to market already touched this, right? Yeah, market touched this. So now from here, then internal to external, from external to internal, which is gonna be somewhere over here, which we don't got. So now this is aligned with the daily. So this is not the 4-hour, not the daily. So the daily is external, right? Because market is still going on fair value gaps. Still going over there. So I'm looking for a fair value gap to align with that, right? Because market for the daily is an external. Daily is an external, 4 hours in a internal. Boom. Internal. Then it was the external. Then we go back to internal. You want a fair value gap to get touched then. Because we're still in that internal, bro. Because fair value super liquidity. Right, this one got invalidated, so we're still in the internal. Right over here, this one's still effective. It's in the internal. So out of the fair value gaps, what I'm looking to look long for, right? So this for a couple hours, we're not gonna have no setups. This one no setups as well. Now we're looking to long out of any fair value gap here. Okay, so we got a fair value gap there. So we got a closing closure above here. Boom, 2 a.m. Not looking too long, just until I get a fair value gap. So now I got a fair value gap touch. I'm looking for another fair value gap to get filled here. It's gonna be a fair value gap here. Took out more liquidity here. Boom. I'm looking for some sort of fair value gap to get created because market does fair value got invalidated, so we're still in an internal model. You want that to match. So how's the daily time frame right now? Because this right here could have make us avoid a lot of losses, right? Unnecessary losses. No, like avoid a lot of drawdown where we have to constantly look at the market for no reason, right? So I'm looking for a fair value to get created. So out of this fair value gap is what I'm looking to long now. I'm looking to long out of this fair value gap, which we got right over here. So now once the market goes back to this fair value gap, so once the market takes this external liquidity, go back to internal, start looking too long. So let's just see the market taking out this one. So next session should be the move, right? Market pumped up even more, touching no fair value gap because fucking NFP. Boom. Don't go too long out of any of these. Okay, so next session I'm looking for internal still. So boom, we got into it there. Now this is past my trading time. Okay, it's not past my trading time. So okay. So now all the match up. Now I'm looking to long from here to all-time high, right? So daily time frame now it just went from internal to external, so it's just all over there. Now the market does this liquidity, then go back to internal. So the daily time frame, we might have a fair value gap here. So then go to the 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. It is 10 o'clock. Market push down. And then I'm looking for a hourly confluence with this, right? So I'm looking for a hourly fair value gap, anything. So this session we don't get it. Next session is probably gonna be the session for that to happen. Okay, so now we're just waiting for the next session. Now we're looking for setups. Now we just avoided so much losses, right? We just avoided so much drawdown. Go to the next session now. Looking to wait for the session to clear up. Boom. The 4 hour drone liquidity is still bullish. Okay, so I'm looking to long from here. I'm looking to long out of anything, any building block, because now the daily is an external, the 4 hour is an external, the 1 hour is in a external, right? Well, they're aligned. Now I'm looking for hourly confluence, which could be this fair value gap. This fair value gap right over there, ready to. So let's see if we get a candle closure below that, and probably price pushed up a lot. Okay, pressed out. Okay, pressed down. I'm looking for that 5 minute unicorn model. Now it's a perfect time for us to look setups, right? So now we can hunt for setups. Today's Friday. Today's NFP non-format promo roll. So this unicorn model shouldn't be working now. Okay, I don't want to see this unicorn unicorn model work out. So I want to see this on Saturday. I don't want to see it working out because we got right here super liquidity. We look at a cash catcher above that. We got this one. Now we get looking for a candle closure above that. Yeah, this is I don't trade on the session with major news like NFP. Okay, so fuck this. Let's wait till the next session. I don't care about this now. We're just gonna let this price play out. So during this session, market did push down, which this now I don't like to trade these. I don't know why, bro. Just got bad experience out of these bitches. Boom. John, look, it was bullish. Every time it was bullish, right? This I don't even know what time. I don't know what time was this. So, okay, so the 4 hour was bullish. The 4 hour, like John, look, it was bullish to the upside. Everybody's looking for that long. Boom. Now the daily isn't a internal, right? Now we gotta let the candle close. Which you got a candle closure above, right below. Now we can't internal trades here. We gotta wait till next session. Next week. Okay, so you see that right there? That makes a lot of sense to me, bro. Now we're waiting till next session, which is all the way at fucking there and there. Now market just took a look at from upside. Now the next one is basically to the downside, which is internal, which is all the way down here. It looks like until or unless the market creates another one. This is unrealistic. Does the market actually go down there? Pretty sure not. Okay, so now market chain the drone looking back to the upside. Okay, what we could do is go back to this bad boy. So are we looking to short or long? Let's see. Let the price play out. One more candle. Oh, okay. Dailies and a bearish, so I'm looking to short. Okay, so looking to short. I'm looking for any of these lows. So 4 hours and an external right over here. Daily is in a what? Internal. 4 hours and external. So how would that work? Fair value gaps, right? So we want to be going for the fair value gap. Okay, just has to stay internal. Damn, this is complicated, bro. Hold up. I might have to watch hella videos before I go to work, my boy. So 4 hour wasn't a. The 4 hour, that's in the external, so we can see it over here. We're gonna take out liquidity from the next one. The next obviously only is gonna be internal. Boom. Now the next one is gonna be external. Out of this, we have a candle closure below this. So the next one, looking for the four both time frames to match up with each other, right? So I'm looking for the daily to the 4 hour and the 1 hour to match up. The daily overall is in a internal. Now the 4 hour is in what? The 4 hour bias, boom. The next one looks over here, which market doesn't go down to. Market value is fair value gap, so now we're looking for another fair value gap there. So the drawn liquidity is still in a internal. Yeah, no trades anywhere here because actually no setups there. Okay. We're looking to enter at perfect time, so I'm looking for the 4 hour to be in a. What the fuck? Dailies in a what, bro? Internal. So dailies want to go to a fair value gap. The 4 hour is in a. So external is liquidity. Okay, they just put the words down here then. Okay, just put the words down here. Go put external. Lots of liquidity. Save as. External. So. External, external, what the fuck, bro? Bro, I'm tripping, bro. What the fuck? So market is in a. At the moment right now. So we'll avoid trading Tuesday is probably a news day, right? Was Tuesday a news day? No, Tuesday was not a news day. After this week was when we had our major news week, right? So, and it's September 9th, bro. Fuck, I'm tripping here, bro. Yeah, Wednesday was when we had our CPI. Okay, so on trade. Wednesdays, okay, daily is in a internal, which is down here. Or unless we get a break or above, then we look to be right back to external. 4 hour. We want the 4-hour to be in what? What do we want the 4-hour to be in? Matching with the daily. So the daily is bearish, we want the 4-hour time frame to be bearish. For the day time frame, just set out liquidity. Next one is back to the upside. This one gets set out. Bro, this is so fucking confusing, bro. Okay, so 4-hour time frame is in a external or internal. The price point is so choppy, so hard to predict, bro. I'll trade this session. Next session is big news. Boom. Now after this session, we're looking to take a trade out of. Daily is still in a internal, so we're still looking for sells. The 4-hour is in a took out no liquidity, ran through this bitches, ran through these motherfuckers. Okay, got a candle cluster right back below. So we want a fair value gap. So now, once we got that, now next session is where we're looking for a setup, right? Next session is probably fucking major news. Say core retail sales or something. Damn, wait. Next session is probably major news. Yeah, core PPIs in this day. Okay, so now market the daily. The daily is on a internal. The 4-hour is gonna touch this. Gonna be in the external. So 4 is gonna be bearish as well because market moves out of her value on the back side to boom. Next, always gonna go back to the downside. Over here. This is news day. I don't trade New York session this day. Okay. Boom, touched it. Now I'm not trading this because this is. What is that thing? What the fuck is Smooth Thursday? Core PPI. I don't trade on this. It's core PPI. Let's let the news play out a little bit. Let the news come out. Boom. You see major news. You see. Now market took out even more. Now we just went to next day. Next session is when we're looking for trades because now this market took out liquidity. Now let the daytime close. Now here's when we're looking for external. Now we want to go to the internal. Okay, so we want the 4-hour time frame to go. We're looking to long. Says we're still in a external on the daily and in the 4-hour. So I'm looking for any hourly conflict to go for longs. So I'm looking for any hourly fair value to go for longs. Because market just touched this, now it's external. Okay, so I'm looking to long from here to the upside. And the last bit is going to be 4-hour for, like I said, 4 on the key is already best that align with the daily because they both are going from internal to external. So for the daily and external, so I'm looking to long out of anything to go to the upside. For the daily, John Liquid is always still bullish. This isn't. I'm pretty sure they didn't get nothing. Yeah, nothing on this session. Next session was this session. So the 4-hour is bullish. I'm looking to long at anything. Why? Because the daily It's bullish. Go to long 2. Go for this internal. Check out this liquidity. Okay, did it give us any setup afterward? No setup. We got a unicorn model right over here. Okay, we got a unicorn model. Casual closure above. Sweep. Candle closure above. Boom. We'll go to long out of this. Let's stop below the unicorn. It's gonna be there because it's always about, okay, we could go to 1 minute time frame to get it, right? So we got a candle closure right above the 5-minute unicorn model. We'll go to long that bad boy again. I'm looking to try my stop loss to be even tighter. Or market just doesn't even go down there. Yeah, market just tends to dip. Yeah, it's gonna go to TP, which is this right over here. If we could do our analysis paralysis, this one matches with this. These are kind of near each other, so that's gonna be TP. Market reacts out of the zone. Okay. Now this session we had no setup, so now it's gonna wait till next week. Now next week we're clear, right? So clear as day. Price develop. Bro, I'm gonna be on this until I get everything set, my boy. 4 hour still in a external, so meaning a buy side. The daily still in the external. Till it takes out some sort of liquidity and closes below in the 4 hour. The next location definitely be bearish. Boom. So looking too long. This Ali auto block could long us up. This Ali fair value gap could long us up. Yeah, so Ali definitely is in an internal. So I want to see price go down to this. So I want to see price push down to that. Disrespecting that. Okay. So this was BS, guys. Market really never expected it anyways. Now market is in a what? Internal right over here. Now the market is going to go to the external. This got disrespected though. Market should be still the same, right? Because this one I remember no setups during this time. Market advanced back up. So looking for longs. The 4 hour is still in the bullish one. The daily is still in the bullish one. So I'm just looking for hourly to go for long. So hourly conflict should do it. So hourly for right gap, no conflicts here. Okay, now I'm looking to long tail. Pretty sure price never went here, but overall you did. Stop higher. No giving us no entries here. Our main goal is going to be on this 4 hour. Candle closure below that. Let's see if we're going to pull back. Got a huge pullback out of this. Giving it this auto block. See, I don't want to see that auto block when we play out. I don't want to see that auto block playing out. Okay. So I don't want to see this give me any entries. I don't want to see this give me any entry. Yo, past 12, no entries. Okay, so market likes to just, the unicorn model does not like to give me in order blocks. Only bots and sets of liquidity fair value gaps. Okay. Let's wait till next session then. Once the market takes out a internal bots of liquidity, I'm looking to show that motherfucker. Okay, now the 4 hours still in a external, so still looking for longs. So looking to long it till this now. So after this, I'm looking to short. We get anything like that? No. So now the daily, we have a daily fair value gap. So now the market is gonna definitely go here because now I'm the all-time high. Market set the liquidity close below it. We're looking to go for this. Fair value gap to get filled. To go there, I'm looking to long it till this. So the 4 hour, the daily is gonna go down because of the 4 hour. Daily is in an internal. 4 hours in an internal because market took out external. Next one's back to internal. So they're both aligned with each other. So I'm looking for hourly confluence to match up. Okay, market test say external, internal. Now we're going back to the upside. Yay! What? Tell me what's gay. Tell me what's gay. Tell me what's gay. I mean, we could have probably got a unicorn model over here, man. Like, definitely cut off in it. Did we get a unicorn model here? Market took out his liquidity. Look for a kind of closure below this. It leaves out a fair value gap. Yeah, we did get a unicorn model here. Boss has sucked out stop rate. And that's kind of closure above, which is this. With that, what are we looking for? I'm gonna put the price back down here. With that, what are we looking for is to get a candle closure, but there's no candle closure, no fair value gaps. But now this one created a boom, created a candle closure below and a fair value gap. Now this is a model right here. Now we gotta push price back down a little bit more. Now on this candle, we're looking to go 1 minute. I'm looking to short. So I'm looking for a breakout structure back to the downside. Okay, we got a reverse fair value gap. Boom. Fair value gap got reversed. Inverse. So I'm looking to enter out of this auto block. Boom. Sell stop. Now we don't got a candle closure below this, so my sell stop is gonna be whoop right over there. 15 minute. There was a 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. There was a 15-minute fair value gap, so I'm mentally looking for a 15-minute unicorn model. Let me see how this played out. Wait, so price already pushed down here. I mean, did it already push down there? Price already pushed down to the daily fair value gap. But didn't daily time frame already push down to the fair value gap? Boom. There's a daily time frame to the next internal 18. So market ready to touch this. So touch this. Market's back at external. But in that time, dedicated for value gap. No, dedicated to get no buy liquidity. Market's back at the external range. Right. So now market pump up over here. Now back here, market's right back the internal range. So 4 hours getting back in the internal range. So dailies are back in the internal range. Already touched already touched it. Market pumped out, took out liquidity. Now the day's right back to the internal range because Daily has no basket liquidity. Boom, pushing back down. So I'm looking to short to all the way down here now. Let's see what this gives us. So my last and final take profit is going to be on this auto block. This auto block is going to be our final take profit. This one has a fair value gap, so this fair value gap is going to be some sort of thing. So 50% mark of the fair value is going to be our take profit. Well, 15-minute proposed fair value gap, bro. So I don't see how the market goes out of this. Let's just say we're selling here. Just up above this because they didn't close below. Take profit is going to be, they're relatively close to each other, so go out of this one. Be one hit, they would a candle closure above or below. Got a candle closure, so we're still holding. Boom, TV smashed. There's a 2% mark. Market started. Yeah, down to the 2%. I got a really low trace me to cover up. Let's try back down. So how did we miss this trade? Okay, during this time the 4-hour bias was bearish, right? Bullish actually. The fortune key tested the fortune keys. Now the John key. You have to wait that the fortune keys could change. I have to wait for the 4-hour bias to change because the market I have to let the candle close because market journal location and the journal gets the same or not. But I'll definitely look for a setup there. Since the market already touches a daily fair value gap, right? But one thing the market didn't do is what the market would do, market pump back up, took on a basket liquidity, right? The next one's right back to the downside, right? So the market is right back, the daily is right back into internal, the 4 hours right back to the internal, right? Because market took a liquidity. So market was already in a, market was never in an internal. Man, I don't know how the fuck this internal and external shit works, but daily, this is their 4 hour, looking for a 4 hour fair value gap. But no. So I don't care how the daily, I don't care how the 4 hour, I just want to follow the 4 hour. That's gonna just the daily don't look at it. That's I care about, right? This is what I care about. So now the next session I'm looking for longs. So since the next this session calls that, touch that. Out of sweep liquidity every time, sweep liquidity. No auto blocks, man. Fuck auto blocks. I'm probably gonna stop using auto blocks. I'm only gonna care about sweeps of liquidity or fair value gaps. So on a daily time frame, market test is internal, right? So we're still looking for, now we're looking to long back up to a external drawn liquidity, which is right over here, right? We're looking to long over here, unless it'll give it a setup, right? So looking to long over there. Came back down lower, took out liquidity. Okay, we're looking to just long this bad boy. Came back down, took out liquidity. There we give it a setup here. Okay, push down lower. Now looking candle above this. Yeah, no unicorn model here. Looking for the 15-minute because all time frame is bearish. Okay. So now let's try the new way out, right? I'm just gonna go out of the 4 hour and whatever I see, cause this is confusing. So whatever is confusing, bro, I'm just gonna go fucking I got this shit, nigga. You know what I mean? Okay, so market now. The next time frame. This one never get set up. So next time we're looking for longs now. So on the daily. On the daily, we're bullish. On daily time frame, the John liquidity is bullish. Because market is the thing. The daily time frame, John liquidity external. On the 4-hour time frame, I don't care what the 4-hour time frame John liquidity. I just care about it giving us a setup there, right to that spot. So now the bots in the 4-hour time frame is bullish. Fortunately, sweep just out the liquidity, just out the liquidity in the 4-hour time frame. So I'm looking for a long side of this sweep. So I'm not looking too long to any of these bots of liquidity. I don't care if there's a fair value up here or not. Now this right here is kind of tricky because look, there's already tested fair value gap. Now the Joan look is definitely that is now. It's definitely an external, right? I didn't want that to happen, but let's see. Go to our lower time frame. The session might not give us the execution. It doesn't mean that's execution. Boom. Close above. Boom. So I don't want to see this workout. I don't want to see this workout. So looking for the 15 unicorn model. See what liquidity. Boom. Looking for that bullish up closing candles. Yeah, no entries here. Next session is probably gonna be the session. We'll look at the long all the way till the daily. So we're going to all to the daily one, right? So the daily time frame we're bullish. So every time frame, every day we're bullish. So and we're gonna look at the 4-hour. So 4-hour time frame we're bullish. So we're looking too long. Boom. Took out this liquidity. So market took in a 4-hour time frame, took out this liquidity. Now the forward liquidity is bearish because market took out liquidity. Now looking for another some sort of sweep because if you go play this out, like this shouldn't go in our favor. Oh, this is fucking that major news shit. Fucking gay, bro. What the fuck? Took all this liquidity, right? So looking for the daily. We care about the daily internal or external because it's easier to predict. Then we go to the 4-hour, looking for just drawing our normal thing, our normal way of trading. Okay, then look at to execute out of that. Okay. Now what's daily drawn liquidity? Market took out his liquidity. Touch another one. So we're still back to internal. Now we're back into external because they touched this. There's no boss liquidity. This is the boss liquidity over there. So looking for this provider to get disrespected. Boom. Now I'm looking too long out of this. Okay, so daily is an external, 4 is an external. 4 indicator is bullish because market does the fair value and the indicator is back to the upside to this over there. So there's any fair value up here. There's no fucking fair value. Yeah, this session I never had a setup. Next session is probably the session. Now in this session is where I'm looking for setups now because you know none of them not show it up. Did not. Tell me what the market at right now. He's at external as well. I'm down a lot. I'm looking too long. Never get to shut down. 15 timer book to shut down. I'm looking for that 5 minute. Okay, we got a unicorn model here. She go this low. We got a go over for a gap. So let's just say we're entering out of somewhere over here. Now let the market come back down. So that's all can depend on the closure of this. So during this time the outside frame is an A. External actually, yeah, because market just took out this to fair value. I didn't take out liquidity, took the fair value gap. Boom. So an external, so this fair value should be a point. The 4 hour is in A what? This 4 hour fair value, so the 4 hour, the daily is in a I'll go to a lower time frame. We'll go shut down. So once I see a tap out of the fair value gap, I feel like that's when I should be entering the trade. Cause look now this. Where's that other one? Oh, okay. Prove my point wrong. I'm still looking for entry because it's turning at 1 minute order block. Okay, now we're looking for entry out of this. The 50 time frame close above this. No. Okay, so we're looking to put our sell stop more safer to all the way. Oh hell no! What the fuck, motherfucker? I'm gonna put my sell stop be safer, right? Put it below the 15 minutes sold down here. Like this sell stop is crazy compared to the RR. This breakup block is huge, right? So market should have been going below this breakup block. Market could sometimes tap into it, so we gotta be careful. Boom, somewhere there. Okay, this is not gonna be my first take profit. My first take profit is not gonna be this. It's gonna be this. Then it's gonna be the second take profit. It's gonna be here. Okay, so market says just to this. But this is not near that. Oh, don't got a candle closure above. Damn. I mean, realistically, market should have been good over here, but let's put it here. Let's just say we act like we bought. Stop below this. So that got how that said that. How that thing said that when I put my take profit. When I put my take profit, I have to go best out of. What did that guy say? What did that guy say? Damn. Okay, so over here, okay, let's see how this plays out. At that time, during that time, if I put a limit order, okay. So I want to see price react out of the one mark that I laid out. This is the 4-hour drone liquidity. Pretty sure price during this time was just fucking around. So when I do my this, you see, there's the Ali high here. I didn't put my take profit because the market closed below it, right? When the market closed below it, I just started sweeping it out. The reason I didn't hold, reason I'm not doing that, because now when the market goes here, the 15 close below it, boom, I'm getting out because this is that one mark, right? Another one doesn't match with each other. Still a break even. We're still at not break even. We're still at thing. Took out liquidity now. That's our first and final take profit because it can't be here because these doesn't match with each other, right? You see how price eventually did go up higher, but to be safe, right? This took a duration of probably a fucking day, bro. Okay, so now we're gonna go to daily time frame. Daily is bullish. Daily thing is still bullish. 4 is still bullish. Looking too long out of anything. Which I know we get. It's past 5. I can't trade that. The 4-hour still bullish, right? Getting closer, got above. We're looking to long anything that is bullish. Never gave us anything like that. Just bust up. Past 12 o'clock, so just went to our next day. Next day, let's see. Next day, drone liquidities. Okay, so this day on the daily, still bullish. On the 4, did we sweep out any low? We did not sweep out. We swept out liquidity, but got a huge closure above. Still bullish. I was already looking to long anything, so I'm looking to long this. Provide gap, okay. So the outlet time is still in that internal range. External range, okay. Daily's in the external range. I'll lose the next range until the 4-hour decides to change the daily clear an all-time high. So let's see if we get any closure above this bitch. No, market even popped down even lower to these 4-hour fair value gap. Check out more liquidity. We're still looking for that long. Check out this liquid last bullish candle was this. Okay, we got a unicorn model here. But the 15 minutes whole bearish, right? Everything in the 15 time frame is bearish. So I don't want to see this work out. I don't want to see this work out in our favor, right? Because boom, candle closure, that's candle closure, but above this with this. Oh, fair value gap here. Go to 5 minute. Still no entries. Looking for a 1 minute confluence, super liquid or anything like that. Boom. This is my entry. Candle closure, the sell stop is right below. Now it's gonna be right below the 5 minute fair value gap. I don't want to see this go in my favor because it's going against the 15-minute drawn liquidity rule. But the daily, that's still nothing, right? Okay, what's there in a 30 minute? There's a fair value gap here, so I'm looking to just go for the TP as my take profit because that's where it has it over here. So there's my take profit. And what does that have in an hourly time frame? So in the hourly time frame, that's a fair value gap. Okay, so you go for the fair value gap as a take profit. Okay, I'm gonna go for the last take out the fair value gap. With that, what we got here? The 1 minute we got another one. That's both bearish. So I'm looking to just break even at this hourly. So my take profit is gonna be out of this. This is perfectly aligned. So right over here where the market touches this, looks like it touched it. So I'm looking to a break even when the market goes back at this 1% mark or 50% of this. It's near 50%, yeah. It's not to 1-to-1 RR, so I'm just gonna break even there that time. I don't want to see this go in my favor. This goes okay. This go in my favor. Okay, go back to the fair value gap. I see now, so now I'm breaking even. So I have no risk on the table. Now let's go back in time. I actually forgot to buy this bitch. Okay, eventually I'm trying to test up. Break even is right over here. Now that the price play, because TP1 is not a 1-to-1 RR, the TP2 is right over there. So that's gonna be 1-to-1 RR. It's gonna be last in our final tech profit. Boom. Okay, market did a reversal back down a little bit, then eventually pumped right back up. Why did this go in our favor? Daily is bullish. The daily is an external. The 4 hour right over here is still an external without need on your fair value gap. The hourly is still in an external. The hourly time frame is so I don't care about the 4 hour daily and the 4 hour. The 4 hour time, the daily is in a 4 batches bullish. The 4 liquidity is bullish because I'm going to take liquidity. Looking for anything to elongate it up there, right? So I'll only care about the daily, external, internal. The 4 hours, you're looking for anything to just elongate. So pass out such a liquidity, right? Boom. Look at elongate here. Eventually, look at see price. I could have gone there, but my thing just told me say this is a safe take profit. Went there. Eventually, would have hit TP, but I'm going based out of what this gives me, right? To go for a secure. This one will be the 50% mark as my first take profit, which intentionally 50% I got hit, so I would have definitely still hold it. I'll definitely hold it. Stuff I would definitely still hold this because it's not a 1-to-1 RR. Yeah, so I'm still gonna break even there when it goes to the first TP. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going, bro. I'm gonna go into this 3 hours of fucking spectating. I love it. Don't you love it too, buddy? You love it? You love it? You love backtesting? You love it? You love it? The 15-minute Ferrari bro, opposite Ferrari bro is not going in our favor, eh? I mean, for right, so we could have catch another entry to the all-time high. So entry from here, we're looking the all-time from bullish, right? We're looking to enter out of this Ferrari gap. Look at another entry here, back to the upside. Daily time from the 4 is bullish, 4 is bullish. Boom. Like, I don't have to put that there. Just gonna put this. But like, we gotta. So once we tap into this, boom, boom. This is a candle closure above, so I can put my sell stop right below the breaker block. Why below the breaker block? Simply and very easily, because you got candle closure above. CP1 straightly reflects to that. Boom. CP hit. CP could have gone even more further, right? Could have gone boom, 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 boom. I don't know. We're in this week right now, so this week does matter. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep this drawing in board. Where the fuck did my Ferrari go? Okay, so now let's go to the next day. Keep playing price. Daily on this one is still bullish. 4 hour time frame is still bullish because still got liquidity still. So still looking for a bullish movement. I'm gonna go to the scanner goes over there. So now market took out a lot of liquidity from downside. So I'm pretty sure I never took trades until fucking Friday. Boom, now market took out liquidity from buy side. Now the daily joint liquidity is too bearish. So I'm looking to go for this. I just took a internal unless this gate disrespect, it goes back up higher. So I'm looking for shorts here. Time frame broke pressure down. Look to short this bitch up. The 4-hour time frame, these we don't care about. This is the daily time frame. It's gonna go for the base setup daily. So whatever I get an hourly time frame. Because the 4-hour is aligned with the daily. Boom. Hit it. Now looking for that 5-minute unicorn model. Shouldn't have had a setup here. Is there any setups here? So the liquidity. They did give us this, but they keep thinking about that. Execution what truly matters the most. I'll go down here. Go to bounce back up here and looking for entry until this can. This completely gets ran through. No 1 minute break up transfer was her right gap. Boom. We had this inverse, so no entries here. Just wait till next session. Okay. Took out liquidating for our time frame. We're still bearish. We're still looking for sales. Still looking to short to days daily and have some partial take profits along the way. Took out liquidity, so we're looking for anything to short, right? Sure, no. Looking for the 5-minute unicorn model over here. Took out his liquidity, boom. Didn't collect again. I'm just sure we got another super liquidity now. Let's see. Let's say candle closure below that. No. Okay, pressed up higher. Yep, just closed up higher. Now just gonna wait till next session, which we're still aiming for this low. We're still aiming for all for these lows because it all depends on how this candle closes, right? Until the next daily. It's okay, we still have the same thing. Okay. Boom. I'm not looking to short because the daily time frame is bearish. I'm looking for a hourly super liquidity, then go back down because 4 hours back to both side. I'm looking for the daily too because daily time frame is bearish, right? Boom. I'm looking for setup. As you can see, market's kind of consolidating here. I'm looking for no setup because this is in this high time frame turn, so we need to take a hourly back to the downside, and the market could have back up here. Yeah, as well this. So now I think I changed from there to here. So this is our next goal. Just waiting for a variety to get swept out. Looking for a basket liquid to get swept out. Boom. This is during 6 o'clock. So now I'm looking to short all the way down till this alley for this rag up here. I took out his liquidity. Looking to short. Look at the short from this. I'll definitely push it down. 10 o'clock. Market test this, right? Test the hourly auto block, so I'm looking to short from here. Is there any setups? Took out his liquidity, no setup, still waiting. Took out more liquidity, no. This is 12 o'clock, we can't look for a setup, so then just waiting for next session to take a trade on. Oh, we still have the same objective to go to the downside because of the daily. Okay, so the same objective to the downside. Okay, I don't wanna see that thing. Okay, so the daily market took out of liquidity, so we're still at the downside. We're still looking to go for down to these lows. This is pretty much today. That's this today. What? So, yeah, 4 hour over here. So we're looking to go all the down here. So I don't care how this. But if the market shows this 4 hour liquidity. When that change the drawn liquidity back to the upside. So looking at short here. This auto block would have been a loss. I'm pretty sure this auto block would have been a loss. So if we did like a short auto block, go to the 5 minute. I'm looking for that unicorn model on a 5 minute auto block. This should have definitely been a loss. Touch it. We get a unicorn model here. Got a candle closure below this. Unicorn model right over here. Out of that, we had a fair value gap, overlapping fair value gap. Yeah, this should have definitely been a loss. So now I'm gonna gotta tap into it. I'm looking for execution. 1 minute both shirt up. Did the 1 minute book shirt up? One book shirt up, looking for a regular shirt back to the downside of fair value gap. Which one I never got over here. But regular shirt until this. The 5 minute disrespected it, but in the 1 minute, let's see what happens in 1 minute. Yeah, disrespects it as well. Yeah, so there's no unicorn model. I'm looking for another unicorn model. Redo the unicorn model. Look for another short entry here. This unicorn got me disrespected. I'm looking for another one. We got a huge move down here, taking out liquidity. See if this can create a fair value gap. Create a fair value gap here. I'm looking to short out of any of these fair value gaps. Relatively objective is still down here. Yeah, so by the way, this is an auto block, by the way, so you see how it goes out of the auto block. So market goes here to give me an entry. I mean, I need to see a closure above that. Once the market tap into it, market insanely closes above it. No bearish candle closes above it. Disrespects this other one, right? So no entries. Okay, so we have never had an entry on this. Okay, no entries on this. Are we looking for sales? The daily drawn liquidity is bearish because market took a look in a 4 hour time frame, right? We're now all time high, so I'll check it still down here. I'll just let the next test to come out. So I'm just gonna start using fair value gaps on liquidity, bro. Nothing else, bro. Took out all these liquidity, okay. Took out Basa liquidity, took out another Basa liquidity. With that, I'll time frame boxes are up. This is today, so today I experienced a loss. Man, do we have anything here? Okay, never took out any other buys of liquidity. Okay. So now we got a candle closure below this. So what I'm gonna do is let the market touched it. Advise it bullish, so I'm looking to enter. Then push it down, no for I get first. Push it down. This is the bearish candle. We're looking to put our sell stop at 15-minute order because we got a candle closure below. Right over there. So force and time, final take profit is going to be here because it aligns with the overall general liquidity. Market did take out boss liquidity for a time frame. That's the confusing looking part. This is my weekly market recap. Okay, so this week, good week. I like this week. Breaking week, actually, you know. I hit a 1.5 RR on a Monday, and Friday I had my bias wrong, so I lost 1 RR. We're gonna go over this, right? Is that Monday? This week was a good week because now I just learned something new, right? I learned something new that the daily time frame does matter. I mean, it has already been mattering. I just didn't know how to use it well. Now I know, right? Now we found it out. So the daily time frame now is that the external and internal daily is the one that matters, and we're just taking anything that 4-hour time frame that aligns with the daily, just shorting it along it to the daily, right? It's like today, right? So you could have sorted this to the daily, this would have been your main goal, because why? Because the main daily, right? There is the daily for VIGAP, right? So that's your main drug take profit, and it wouldn't be this deviation, because why wouldn't it not be this? It's we only using this deviation to the main drawn liquidity and to the ones that are partially there, right? There's something there, so that's gonna be our main goal, and the main take profit as well. And yeah, with that, that's that. But now let's go over our goal for today, and which was the market recap. So on Monday, I had a buy setup over here for the daily joint liquidity. On this day, we're gonna go for daily first, right? As always, daily was bullish, right? The daily was bullish. There's something to the downside. Just looking for a super liquidity in the 4-hour time frame to go for me to go bearish, right? Daily was bullish. The 4-hour was bullish, right? Boom. The 4-hour down aligned with the daily. That's already been aligned with, so I don't really care. Now, we had two setups here, right? We had a setup from here and from here. So if we go to the lower time frame, this one went against my my 15-minute opposing for Vanguard, bro, right? So I gotta find out how I could do that. Do I need that 15 opposing for Vanguard, bro, or not? Because yeah, and it sounds like I don't need it, but we're gonna find out in the future, right? So right now, but during that time, we had a 4-hour super liquidity, right? So there's a 4-hour super liquidity. Only the 4-hour time frame determines if it's gonna trade a joint liquidity or not. But the joint liquidity is already bullish, so it doesn't matter. We could use it as a confluence getting in. For a 5-minute, we had 2 entries here, right? But I took this one, then I took this one, so I could have gotten a 3 RR on this, right? We had our first entry over here, boom. Would have experienced a little bit drawdown, but would have been overall and take profit. I think I have my entry somewhere over here, like over there. So I stopped below the third one, 1, 2, 3, because we gotta cancel. We gotta like, it didn't have to be over there, right? You could just been below this, yeah. So you gotta cut a bit below this because we got a candle closure above. So every time when I trade breakup blocks, and when I'm entering my trades on breakup blocks, I'm always gonna be using this, right? Every time I get a candle closure above the breakup block, right? I'm gonna be like, okay, this is good enough for me to put myself below the breakup block, and the market shouldn't even go big down below it. And you can see market came back down, but it never took out liquidity, right? It never took us out. So take profit would have been, I think it was somewhere over, not there. That's a 2 huge RR. It would have been, it's Ali Fair Value, that's right over here with it. This Ali Fair Value would have been our take profit and final take profit, which is just straight away aligns with this, right? Now Ali time frame. For Value straight away aligns with it, so boom. Final take profit is gonna be there. First take profit is gonna be right over here. This one already got touched for market, right? But when it did get touched, I didn't care because I'm going with the higher time frame, right? Because we already had our 4-hour super liquidity, and we already had all the criteria to getting in. We had our sweep, so this one right here doesn't really matter. Market first traded it, right? So the time we entered is never touched it, right? So now the market pump back down, go back up. Now once this is near this right here, right? So my first take profit would have been this. Market got a 15 to 15 time frame close above it, so I was holding it to the TP, which is relatively right over here, just because it's near that, right? So second take profit gonna be there. Got smashed. This would have been a 3 RR and a 1 RR. This is not a. It's been like that. Boom, 1 RR, and my entry soft stop was. I could have had a better soft stop, but I was unexperienced. So every time I see a candle closure above it, I'm looking to enter out of that, right? So once I see the 1 minute candle closure above it, so because every time I'm entering, and the best way I can have my breakup block at soft stop is when I see the 1 minute close above the breakup block and give us some sort of entry, then I can put my setup below that, right? But yeah, that's that. Then along the week, no setup because all of these were going against the daily joint liquidity. So like, okay, I'm not gonna daily I think it was the internal bias. This was going against the internal bias. This one was 2. This one was 2. Now this one wasn't, right? Now I'm looking for a short. Never had a short entry here. Next session, I never had a short entry here or over here. You test the order block, but the order block never really acted as a thing. And my bias during this time was bullish. Keep that in mind. I had my bias wrong, right? The daily joint liquidity is bearish. So I mean, hey, now we find out, right? We found it out now, right? So the daily joint liquidity is bearish. We had the entry, but it's cool. Now we know, right? During this time, both of the thing got disrespected, but it's out of the order block, right? I want to see ways where I could use it basically just out of like breaker blocks. No, not breaker blocks, just use it out of fair value and about liquidity. Because this one right over here, was out of super liquidity. This one was out of fair value gap. That's what you can see order block, but the order block went below the order block. So you can see just in the fair value gap, right? So yeah, I might just start up right now. Just use fair value as a bunch of liquidity. But this week was a good week, break even week. But I could have had a 1, 3, 6 RR week, but we learned along the way. But this one was going against the not drawn liquidity rule. What was I looking to do over there? Or was I looking for longs or shorts? Wait. Oh, this would have not even been a trade. Because during this time I was looking for a long as well. Yeah, I was looking for a long as well. Yeah, during this time I was looking for a long as well. I was like, how the fuck did I not take a trade? But I know what I did. I know what I did here is just that the market all different blocks shut down. So I was looking for a 15-minute unicorn model, and the 15 unicorn never showed up. Yeah, so this would have not been a trade. It would have been like a lucky ass trade, right? But would have been up with a 3RR this week, right? If would have taken not this one, but this other ones, right? 3RR. But yeah, pretty good week, break even week, lesson learned week, and yeah, keep on improving. Now I'm gonna use a daily time frame as the main thing, and use the 4 hour to go with it, right? Anytime, every time I see the 4 hour, because without that, look at the price action before this aligning with the daily. The daily draw, like why the market see those liquidity close below, you got a closure below it, right? The price action were much clearer than before this. You could see it ranging, right? Over here, market moves smoothly, it pushed down right to the daily. How was the daily joint liquidity bearish? All of the daily time frame was bullish. Market in the 4 hour time frame closed bearish, and every time I see that closing bearish, we go to the daily because daily had no boss liquidity, right? So market day in the daily time frame went to the daily fair value gap, right? See right over there. And with that, prices are much cleaner. So now I'm focused on daily. I'm focused on the daily external and internal liquidity. But in the 4 hour, I'm just looking at anything that goes with the daily, right? So if I see a daily internal, meaning if the market wants to go to the fair value gap, I'm gonna look for a daily 4 hour fair value gap to get touched. That's bearish to the downside. 4 hour simple liquidity to the downside to go to the downside, right? Like I had some examples behind here. I mean, I can go back in the chart. Where was the examples that I had here? Did I had any examples here? I did not have examples, I think. Yeah, I went past, I think, so much that I don't have the examples. But yeah, the unicorn model is very good model. Just gotta keep on backtesting, getting better at it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, today's it, chat. 3 hours of backtesting. I'm gonna go and relax now. Tomorrow, we're spinning it right back down. So today, when I come back, spin it back down. Now, watch some more videos, do more studying.